Welcome, welcome, boys. We're in the scrapyard. I've already saved you a little bit here with my dad. He decided to accompany me, so I've already pulled the cover off. But we found ourselves a Mustang GT, and guess what's in it? The limited slip diff 28 spline. So now this is almost done puking everywhere. Slide our cover in. We're going to get this thing out here because we're taking this whole assembly out. It's been pretty easy. There's that little bitty bolt that holds this big pin in. That's coming down. You need to push the shafts in, pull the big pin out, and then once we take these four nuts off these caps here, these four bolts rather, we can take the whole carrier assembly out in one glorious go. Spider gears, everything's going to stay in here. We just need to pull this out. So I'll see if I can set you down in here somewhere where you can see, and then we'll get to working on it. And I got lucky on this because this one arrived right after my Thanksgiving Day raid, and this Mustang wasn't here yet, but it showed up like the following weekend. We're now 2 weeks out. This is December 12th, and so I thought someone would have already came and pulled the whole drivetrain out of it, but they didn't yet, so lucky me. Alright, I'll get you boys set up so you can watch me disassemble this thing. I'll get some other gloves on since we're going to get dirty. Okay. Alright, should be able to see up in here, boys. This thing's neutral. And it is, I can spin it. Look, something's grinding though. What's that fucking noise? Guessing that's somewhere near the axle. Hopefully that's not the diff. Alright, I think this is an 8 mil, but I don't remember. It's been a minute since I think that's 8. Can't remember if that's 8 or if that's a standard.
I would buy that car right there because I put the fuse out, so I'm going to leave it there.
Alright, boys. I think an 8 will do it. I just had a revelation. Can you put the car in gear now?
Probably not.
Well, it would help if you could, because this thing's going to spin if I... Well, you probably don't need to get to the clutch. I think you can just put it in gear. Just jam it in fucking first. Then first? Yep, it's in something. Alright, that'll help. Where's my hammer? Not a lot of room between here and the gas tank. Yeah. There we go. There we go, okay. So that's coming out. Note to future self. Remember the ratcheting wrench. Yep, this extension just saved my ass. Alrighty. Alright, we good now. Extension saved my ass, boys. Got it. Alright, get that bolt out. Now... Alright, put that fucker in neutral again. Is it neutral? Yep, there she goes. Try to pop it out this way. Man, this shit's fucking slick. Alright, pin out. Alright, push that, well, hold on a second, let me Damn it, I don't think I brought my little magnet with me. Alright, I guess push the axle in as best as you can. Alright, I can see the C-clip, so let me spin it. Then I'll have to pull it out by hand, since I don't have a fucking magnet. Should have brought a magnet, but I forgot. Alright, I think that's out. See if you can pull that axle out now. Alright. See if I can get this damn C-clip out of here. It almost wants to come out. There we go. Got it. And this one, I need to spin the axle. Well, I might be able to pull it out. Let's see if I can just pull it out. Come on, you. I know you want to come out of there, but I brought a magnet. Just pull it right the fuck out. This fucking diff loop's so sticky too, it like fucking keeps everything from falling out. Which is great for when you're putting something in. Not so much when you want this fucking shit to come out. Wish I had my fucking magnet. Fucking bastard. Get the fuck out of there. Oh yeah, here it is. Got it. Alright, pull that axle out. Alright, now there's only 4 bolts that holds this thing in. I dropped the C-clip somewhere in here. Ugh, got it. Yeah. Fucking nasty. Okay. So how big are these motherfuckers? I only got the 4 things left. Once again, I can see the clutch packs, so they're right there. For some reason I thought the clutch packs would be on the left-hand side, but maybe there's some on both and I just can't see those. Well, 3/4 fits perfect. Look at that! I don't know if I can write on this sticky shit though. Might have to wipe it off or something when it comes out. I'll just do one at a time. And then I'll have you remember what's what.
You don't ask me to remember what's what. A lot of room to get your fucking hammer up in here. Fucking gas tanks all over my business. Can't get a good swing at it. I'm gonna try to pull it down. I'm trying to use my strength. Boy, they really fucking put that in there. Hey, god damn. That'd be a nice tip. Fuck! Damn, I almost need a fucking impact driver to get these things out. Where's that pipe? What pipe? Oh, I brought it. It's in there somewhere. I thought you said you didn't bring it. No, I brought a pipe. I didn't bring an impact driver. This might help. Let's see. It better fucking help, because if not, we're gonna have a problem. I already did all the work. Can't get the rest of the fucking thing out. Yeah, there we go. I can hear somebody's got one. I can hear it. Got it. Alright, that one's loose. Bust them all loose. God! God almighty. Ugh. Damn, the torque specs on this must be like fucking 1,000,000 foot-pounds. You gotta have to tight it in. Busted them loose though. Alright. 2 more. Got it. And the last one. My God. Alright, we'll do the left ones first. Alright. Now this should just come right out. I'm gonna break my fucking fingers on something.
Should have wrote TL on there.
I couldn't because it's like sticky. You can't write
On the
anything
side of the
easily.
bracket where you got the bolt in there.
Okay, so now comes the part where I remember I probably should have bought a bigger pry bar. I need a screwdriver.
Did you have to joint and everything loose to get that out of there?
No, it just comes right out. I'm not taking the pinion bearing or anything, or pinion fucking, what do you call it, gear. I'm just taking this fucking differential. Got it. Oh man, this thing is fucking heavy though. Ugh, got it, boys. There we got it, boys. Old differential carriers in here. Our bearing races and caps. They'll need to be a little cleaned out, of course, but we got it all gutted. So, she'll be good to go, boys. I'll do it for this video. It's just a short pick and pull thing, but finally found one. Finally found the Mustang, so we're good to go. Look forward to throwing up rooster tails next winter, not this winter. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.